Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we will demonstrate how to nominate a proxy to sign a document on your behalf within SigniFlow. Nominate Proxy is a handy feature that helps you get a document finalized as quickly as possible, without holdups that may occur because an individual is not immediately available. For example, let's say you have a contract that needs to be signed off urgently, but the first signer you selected either turns out not to be the best person to sign, or they don't have the time at hand to review the contract's contents. Instead of holding the process up, they simply elect someone else to sign on their behalf. If you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on setting up workflows or on preparing documents within DocPrepper, check out our related videos, such as creating a basic workflow within Creating Workflows, or field placing within the DocPrepper module in SigniFlow Academy. I have already set up a workflow and sent it to myself, so we can jump straight into how you use the proxy function. Step 1. Open the workflow from the email you received and follow any on-screen prompts to access your document. Step 2. Once opened, you will be able to access the proxy option labeled as Nominate through the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Fill in your proxy signer's information, including email address, full name, and mobile number. Please note, if your contact already exists within the SigniFlow system, their information will be automatically populated. Once done, click on the Nominate Proxy button. This will revoke your ability to sign, but you will still be able to view the document. The document will be sent to the person you elected to sign on your behalf, and no further action is required from you. Please note, the Nominate Proxy feature is turned on by default in SigniFlow, but can be disabled by the document originator while setting up the document. That is how you nominate a proxy in SigniFlow. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo, or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.